Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the clock watchdog timeout blue screen error that you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So typically BSOD error relates to a problem between your system hardware and CPU communicating. It's a system-level process called the system interrupt and indicating an issue with how your system and processor are communicating. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung verifier and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa driver verifier manager, so makikita mo dito yung select a task, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung create standard settings. And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next sa baba. So click lang natin yan. And then next step, so dito sa select what drivers to verify, and then select mo lang dito yung select driver names from a list. Okay, so dito sa baba, so click mo lang yung circle na yan. And then dito naman sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung next. So click mo lang yan and wait natin. Alright, so dito sa kanyang select drivers to verify ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung provider. Okay, so nasa gitna. Okay, click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung unknown. Alright, so mayroon tayong unknown dito. So i-check mo lang tong box. Check yung box, yung unknown, and then yung unknown mga kaibigan, or not the Microsoft or even Intel driver. Okay, so select mo lang dito yung makikita mo dito na unknown, and then click mo lang dito yung finish, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. So ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang kailangan natin gawin dito is to check down the list of any yellow error indicators and update. Alright, so kapag may makita ka ditong yellow indicators ay kailangan na natin yang i-update. So makikita nyo dito mga kaibigan, meron tayo dito sa display adapters. So kailangan natin yang i-update. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then dito sa kanyang drivers ay select mo lang, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click, and then click mo lang dito yung update driver, and then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer, and then select ka lang dito sa dalawa, and then kailangan lang natin i-tap tong search automatically. So click mo lang yan, and makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so close lang natin dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin, dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. So copy lang natin yan, and next step ay paste lang natin dito. So Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter, at makikita mo na dito na deployment image servicings and management tool, at wait natin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now, and press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time, beginning verification space of system scan, and then dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix clock watchdog timeout BSOD error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.